Hi everyone, I'm here. Today we are going to talk about data. What is data? Why is it important? What are the different types of data? And what are some of the ways that we can analyze data? Before we get started, if you like videos like this and want to see more of them, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I post new videos. The word data is derived from the Latin word datum, which is the plural of datus. Datus basically means something that has been given. Data can be collected from a variety of sources. For example, it can be collected from people through surveys or interviews. It can also be collected from documents or databases. It can even be collected from social media posts. So data is something that has been given or collected. It's a collection of raw and processed facts, figures and symbols. It's basically just a collection of information. One common method is to use descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics are used to summarize and describe data. For example, measures of central tendency such as the mean, median, and mode can be used to describe the center of a dataset. Measures of dispersion such as range and standard deviation can be used to describe the spread of a dataset. Some examples of data include things like names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, quantities, measurements, observations, and so on. For example, data analysis can be used to determine the most popular products or services, the most common customer complaint, or the effectiveness of a marketing campaign. Once data has been collected, it can be analyzed to identify trends, patterns, and other useful information. There are a number of different ways to analyze data: descriptive analysis, exploratory data analysis (EDA), inferential analysis, predictive analysis, diagnostic analysis, prescriptive analysis, statistical analysis, text analysis, natural language processing (NLP), time series analysis, and so on. We will see it one by one next time. Alright. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to data.